Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video, and leave a comment down below. Today we're diving into a topic that a lot of people are sensitive about, but is completely solvable: how to get rid of lower back fat. Let's get started. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Measure and assess your current situation. First things first, let's figure out where you stand. Using a measuring tape, measure the widest part of your lower back and jot it down. Tracking is crucial for monitoring progress. Step 2. Dietary changes. Lower caloric intake. In order to lose fat, you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. The Mayo Clinic suggests maintaining a calorie deficit to effectively lose weight. Opt for nutrient-dense foods. Harvard Health recommends filling up on fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit sugar and processed foods. Avoid sugar-sweetened drinks and excessive amounts of processed foods. According to a study by the University of Texas, sugar is linked to fat gain, including in the lower back area. Step 3. Aerobic exercises. Cardiovascular exercises like walking, jogging, and swimming can help you burn calories and lose fat. The American Heart Association suggests at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. Step 4. Targeted strength training. Deadlifts. Hold your dumbbells, bend at your hips and knees, and lower your body as far as you can. Pull yourself back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. Bend over rows. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, bend your knees slightly and lean forward from your waist. Pull the weights up towards your lower rib cage and then lower them back down. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps will do the trick. Hyperextensions. Lay face down on a hyperextension bench. Cross your arms over your chest. Lower your torso towards the ground, then use your lower back muscles to bring your torso back up. Again, aim for 3 sets of 10. All these exercises are endorsed by the National Academy of Sports Medicine for effective back training. Step 5. Stay hydrated. The University of Utah found that staying hydrated can help with weight loss, including back fat. Aim for at least 8 cups of water a day. Step 6. Monitor and reassess. Use your measuring tape again to track your progress every 2 weeks. Make adjustments to your routine if necessary. Step 7. Seek professional guidance. If you followed all these steps and still struggle, consider reaching out to a medical professional for a personalized plan. Alright, that's it for today's video. Remember, getting rid of lower back fat is a journey that requires commitment and patience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share it, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.